In primetime news this evening, proposed 70-year secrecy scrapped. As government bows to public pressure, opposition on the defensive as their involvement is questioned. Baby thief sentenced to 3 years. And few PNP Rise United supporters find favor in shadow cabinet.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, more persons have been investing in equities market, but it seems some don't know the ins and outs of the industry. This evening with Business Day, we'll give you some insight into investing.
And Karen Madden, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, from the disappointment of yesterday, Jamaica's athletes rebound to have a history-making day at the Doha World Championships. And I will tell you all about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the government's decision to withdraw a proposal to exempt cabinet documents from the public's view for 70 years.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.